Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good morning. Such a beautiful, beautiful morning. So here we are in Beihai. No. In Yiheyuan, the summer palace. And after a few days of very intense and emotional life, we just want to relax a little bit, to go to some old place which we have been to when we were young, to find some memory of youth, to find ourselves. So we just want to rewind ourselves a little bit. So we came to this place. And this place is in the summer palace, Yiheyuan, Suzhou Jie. And this is actually at the back of the Wanshou Shan mountain. It used to be very, very quiet. Used to be was 40, 50 years ago. And this place was built for the emperors to enjoy the old south of China river scene, river streets scene. So this was remodeling Suzhou, or the south of China part. The architecture design, the shop design was following the old 200 years, 300 years, around that kind of style. And during the Olympic game, China Olympic game 2008, when we have been here, not exactly this place. Our family came to China, back to China, and saw everything was very well built, very well prepared. And this street has a lot of shops, real shops. They rent to the merchants, local vendors, or outside vendors from all over China to do their sales in China. So from 2008 until now, 2024, it's been 16 years. So it's a little bit run down, as you can see. And I feel this way is actually better. Imagine in 2008, everything is new. The red is red, the gold is gold, the green is a sharp green, with people dressed up, the shop dressed up in the Qing style. It's a little bit too shiny. I like it, this old nostalgic feeling. So we just walked around there and walked up the hill. This part is relatively less people because it's a paid entrance. And here you are seeing now is not paid entrance. It's just a natural old trees and hills. The trees are usually 200, 300, or 500 years old. So they are quite old trees. But this place usually up to 300 years old, these trees. And so we just walk there. But that Suzhou Jie, that Suzhou street, the river street, was a paid entrance. I think this is a way of controlling tourism. otherwise there will be just too many people, and it provides a more enjoyable experience. And another thing about China is that, especially or particularly in Beijing, each city, each municipality has its way of managing the city. For example, in Shanghai, there were different ways. In Beijing, after 60 years old, you take public transportation, public bus. Metro, you have to pay. The underground, you have to pay. But taking public bus is free. Going to park is public park is free. So we came here. We are old enough, and I have my senior card, so I can go to more places. So this is a tourist season. There are more people, but during low season, it is quite pleasant for seniors or for anyone to enjoy the city, enjoy the facility. And that's a little bit about the living condition of here. Anyway, I enjoy every minute of my stay in Beijing, and this is so very emotional. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do 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 do. Goo goo. Bye bye.